Mary Siri Carney.
Thank you, and I want to rise by giving my congratulations to all of those who stood and acknowledged your own position, Leader, and that you had a very an excellent turnout, and that you're still in the race. So I suppose the nobility of democracy, I think, comes home to us all. I always get goosebumps when I go in to vote and think this is an extraordinary privilege, and I never get over the novelty of it, of being a grown-up and being able to vote. So it is amazing, and everybody that worked on it, you know, in the Count Centre, the sheer dedication of all of those involved, it really is an extraordinary thing to see, and very exciting to be part of. I echo the congratulations to our athletes. It's been extraordinary, also for them over the weekend. I particularly want to highlight to this House, we passed a motion in this House regarding smartphones, the enforcement of the digital age of consent, the use of smartphones. We highlighted the dangers of smartphones, and I just want to bring to the Leader's attention the fact that the mental health research in the UK, aligned to Ormond Street Hospital, has now proven that there are issues in by using the functional magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, and looking at internet addiction and the use of smartphones and the functioning of the brain, particularly with regard to memory and to decision making. And in those, there is now a direct correlation. So the evidence is mounting on the fact that we need to be strict. We debate it across both houses to enforce the digital age of consent under the Data Commission. And this week I have written to the Data Protection Commission to say, what are you doing to enforce that, and looking for a meeting with them. But Leader, I would appreciate a letter going from this House to the Minister, Minister Martin, asking what follow-up, what has happened to our motion? What steps have been taken by government in response to the motion passed unanimously by this House? Because we did all agree on the fact that there are dangers, there are actions that must be taken both by government and Commission Mon, who are doing a very good job, but the DPC also have a role in this, and I would really appreciate if you could write a letter to Minister Martin on behalf of this House seeking a follow-up to our motion. Thank you very much.